Have you ever wondered why spirulina is getting a lot of attention in the health and fitness world? Spirulina is a type of algae, usually found in bodies of water in Latin America and Africa. It's not your everyday pond element. New studies from Qatar University show that it's a good idea to include spirulina in your diet. This small but mighty algae is popular because it can help you lose weight and keep your heart healthy. Clinical studies show that spirulina can help you lose weight, decrease your body mass index, and reduce your waist size. Why is it effective? It's packed with nutrients that fight inflammation and help combat insulin resistance. People have known about the benefits of spirulina for hundreds of years. It has always been valued for its high protein content, easy digestion, and balanced mix of amino acids. Today, it's popular again, not just for its nutritional benefits, but also for its potential to manage risks associated with heart and metabolic health. So spirulina isn't just any old algae, it's a superfood. You may ask, why is spirulina so good for you? Let's make it simple. Spirulina is a type of algae that's super healthy. It has a lovely blue-green color because of something called phycocyanin. This isn't just a color, it's a powerful thing that your body's cells. Spirulina is also loaded with a special thing called GLA. It's rare in foods, but spirulina has a lot of it. GLA is good for your heart and it fights heart diseases. Spirulina also has lots of B vitamins that help with energy and health. But it doesn't stop there. Spirulina also fights inflammation and blood sugar issues, which are big problems for heart diseases. It does this by blocking something that can cause cell damage. The best part? Spirulina's nutrients are easily taken in by the body, making it a great way to get the nutrients you need, especially if you can't get them from food alone. Even NASA and the European Space Agency love spirulina, recommending it long space trips. It's a cost-effective, easily absorbed, and side-effect-free superfood. Whether you're an astronaut in space or just trying to stay healthy on Earth, spirulina's got you covered. Spirulina isn't just good for weight loss and heart health. This blue-green algae is full of nutrients and is a great source of protein that's easy to digest. People have been using it for hundreds of years. It helps our bodies to grow and repair muscles. And there's more. Spirulina's mix of nutrients can improve our health in many ways. For one, it can change how fats are handled in your body. The special compounds in spirulina work together to reduce bad fats, lower bad cholesterol, and increase good cholesterol. This helps to keep our hearts healthy. Spirulina is really good at helping to control blood sugar. It can lower your blood sugar levels both before and after meals, while making insulin more effective. This shows it could be really useful in dealing with diabetes and other problems with how our body manages sugar. Plus, with elements like resveratrol and quercetin, spirulina can help to fight a variety of health problems. So what's next for spirulina? As we explore this superfood, we need more long-term studies to find out the best amount and duration for taking spirulina for different health issues. Current findings are hopeful but varied, meaning we need more research. Meanwhile, spirulina is gaining popularity in the health and wellness field. Natural ingredients company, Remedies, is working with Fleur de Vie to experiment with mixing spirulina with other ingredients. They're making healthy food and drink products that use the benefits of this nutrient-rich, sustainable superfood. This partnership suggests exciting future developments in the microalgae field. It's clear that people are beginning to understand the great potential of spirulina. Even though there's still a lot to learn, one thing is sure: more research is needed, but spirulina's future is looking good as it becomes more popular. Let us know in the comments if you had any experiences with spirulina. Thank you for watching.